Hi friends, welcome to Zoe Eliza's kitchen. Today I am going to make curry mean pullichithu. Fish is called curry mean in Malayalam. This is a pearl spot fish, okay, and we will be making this with some gravy, and this is a very famous dish of Kerala. And how we are going to prepare at home, I will be telling. It is very tasty, and do give once a try, and then let me know in the comment section, did you really like or not. Okay, so let's get started. It's almost half kg of curry mean, okay, washed, the scales have been removed, everything has been done, and now we have to marinate this. Okay, for marination, what all things we need is, first for marination we need a little bit of ginger, garlic and curry leaf paste. So I have already prepared that. I will be adding a little bit of that. It's not actually paste, it's finely crushed, that's all. Then to this I will be adding some black pepper powder. I'm adding almost half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Then I will be adding turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Then I will be adding red chili powder, and then to this I will be adding little bit of coconut oil, and then I will be adding half a lemon. I am going to add half a lemon juice. Okay, then we will be mixing this. And just keep it aside, and keep this aside for at least half an hour. Keep this aside. Okay friends, I have kept a kadai. I'll switch on the kadai in medium flame. Then to this I will be adding some oil. So here I am using coconut oil. You can use the refined oil also. So I've added a little bit of coconut oil. Meanwhile, I'll show. Here I have taken some shallots and one small onion. One small onion I have cut very finely, and shallot I have taken this much only. Okay, maybe 20-25. Okay, and just cut in 2 pieces. That's all what I have done. Okay, so when the oil is hot enough, we will add shallots and onion to this. Okay, meanwhile the onions are getting translucent, I will be adding ginger, garlic and curry leaf paste, same paste what we have used for fish marination. The same paste we are going to use. So that also I am adding to this. Saute this nicely in medium flame. As our onions, ginger, garlic, everything is sauteed in one side we will be frying the fish. So I have kept a tawa, okay, anything you can use for frying, okay. So I have kept a tawa. To this I will be pouring little oil to fry the fishes, because we need to fry the fish first, okay. So for that we'll just grease the tawa nicely. Okay, the tawa is greased nicely. In medium flame we will fry the fish, okay. So let this fry. As the fish is frying on other side, we will be preparing a masala, okay. So in this onion, ginger, garlic, we will be adding some tomatoes. I have taken one medium sized tomato. So now we have to cook till the tomatoes are soft, okay. Meanwhile, when it's cooking, I will be adding the dry masalas. Red chili powder 1.5 teaspoon, total 1.5 teaspoon I have added. Turmeric I will be adding less than 1/4 teaspoon. Then I will be adding fennel seed powder, 1/2 teaspoon. This gives good flavor. Then 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper powder, then salt according to the taste. Okay, so now we'll mix it nicely and cook till the tomato are mushy and soft, okay. To this I will be adding 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1/2 teaspoon, not more than that. Again we will mix it. See, I have taken 1/2 cup of coconut milk. I will add that, mix it. Let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Then we will switch off the gas. So our gravy is also thick enough. Now we will remove this from gas and keep aside. Okay friends, the fish is fried. So now we will take them out. Very carefully we have to take them out. So both the fish are fried. Okay friends, now we need to warm up the banana leaf. Otherwise what will happen if we are not warming up the banana leaf and directly we are putting the fish to this, and when we are folding it, it will break down, the banana leaf will break. So not to happen, I am just warming it little bit. So I'll show you how. On the gas only I am doing. I have set on the gas and like this. Now to same gas stove I will put this tawa again. First you need to add the prepared masala like this. Make a layer. On top of this we will add one fish. Then again on top of the fish we will keep a layer of same masala. You have to properly cover the fish with the masala. Now what is next? Now we need to fold this. So like this from both the side, and from the side here, and from this side like this. Now we have to tie this. You can tie with the thread also. One pocket is ready. We will prepare this similar one more pocket. Now on this tawa I'll add little oil. And we will cook this for at least 5 to 10 minutes. So friends, it's done. I will be taking this out.